In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to USD in your crypto.com. So just open up your crypto.com app and then you need to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this crypto option. Then you have to click on this sell option from the top of your screen. From this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to find USDT. If you don't find it here, you can click on this search icon and then try to search for USDT. After you find it, you need to click on it. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to sell. So just enter amount here, and then the most important thing, you have to make sure that you have select the USD option in this section, and then just simply click on this sell button and then click on confirm. And once you do that, your USDT will be sold and your amount will be converted into USD or American dollars. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.